I might say is, how do people get access? Do you need a card? Do you need permission? Do you need like to be part of the university community and campus? Do you need access like certain hours? Do you need a certain type of, way to get into a space like that? That's one. Two, what does the space look like in terms of, is it inviting for you? When you walk in, do you feel like you're walking into a museum that you really shouldn't touch the furniture because everything is sparkling white? And then everybody's got these fancy whiteboards and everybody has these fancy, high-tech things all around, but it's not really clear how you're supposed to use them. And three, a third example, when you walk in, do you feel like that chair probably costs more than my entire startup? And so, right. And so we went into a lot of these co-working spaces with these high design ideals in mind without really thinking about how people use them. And we want to be able to get in there, move things around, regroup things, say, hey, why don't you join us over here? You want to be able to do things like bring in other people to work with you. So I think when you're looking at space, we really want to be quite cognizant of designing for the actual users. And when you design for the users, are you designing for, again, just people in your university community? Do you need a student ID or an access card to get in? Do you need a PhD in like coffee and mechanics to understand how to use that coffee machine? Because like, I don't know about you, but I've never seen a coffee machine like that with 600 handles and 3 different widgets and 10 different grinds. Like, is that a way that you design keep people out and you signify things like class and you signify things like background? Or do you make it super easy for people to come in and get really comfortable and redesign and reconfigure the way that they want to?